Namaskar. Welcome to the quiz show, a feast for the starving mind. The first question: identify this flower for which Ganjam district of Odisha is known for its commercial production. Of course, this flower is also found in the northern India, but Ganjam district of Odisha is well known for its commercial production. Identify the flower, and your answer is Kevda flower. Kevda flower is the right answer. Now, this is a national flag of an African country, and this African nation is the Hindu majority nation in Africa. Identify the country. So, four colors you are seeing. Identify the Hindu majority nation of Africa continent. And the answer is Mauritius, the only Hindu majority nation in Africa, and that is Mauritius. Now, the next question, here you can see a latitude. Of course, there are many lines, but a latitude is shown dividing India into almost two equal halves. Name the latitude which is depicted in the map, which divides India almost into two equal halves. And your answer is Tropic of Cancer. Yes, 23.5 degree north latitude, Tropic of Cancer divides India into almost two equal halves. Now, the next question on your screen. When you go to a eye clinic, so to test your vision, this kind of thing is shown to you to understand or test your vision. What is this commonly called as? What is the name of this which you are seeing in the picture, which usually a eye doctor will show you to test your vision or the power? And the right answer is Snellen chart. Answer is Snellen chart. The next question on your screen: which cities form the golden triangle of Indian tourism, or on Indian tourism map? These three cities together form the golden triangle. Name the cities. And the right answer is Delhi, Agra and Jaipur. On tourist circuit, these three cities form golden triangle. Now, the next question on your screen: Sudharma is one of the two daily newspapers published in Sanskrit in India. So, one we said Sudharma, name the other daily. Sudharma is one of the two daily newspapers published in Sanskrit in India. Name the other daily. And your answer is Viswasya Vrittantam. Answer is Viswasya Vrittantam. Now the next question on your screen. There are 29 caves in Ajanta. How many caves are there in the Ellora? There are 29 caves in Ajanta. How many caves are there in Ellora? And the answer is 34. Exactly 34. The next question on your screen. How many types of prasadam or prasad is offered daily to Lord Jagannath at Puri? How many types of prasad is offered daily to Lord Jagannath at Puri? And the right answer is 56 types. Yes, 56 types of prasad is offered. Next question. Silent Valley National Park in Kerala is silent because of the mysterious absence of what creature? Silent Valley National Park in Kerala is silent because of the mysterious absence of what? And the right answer is cicadas, like cricket, cicadas. The next question on your screen. How the guppies and gambusia help in controlling malaria? The fishes, small fishes called guppies and gambusia, they help in controlling malaria. How they help in controlling malaria is the question. And the right answer is these fishes eat the larva of mosquitoes, and in this way they protect us from malaria. Only floating national park in the world is in India. Yes, you are hearing right. Only floating national park in the world is in India. Where? Where it is? And the right answer is Keibul Lamjao in Manipur. Keibul Lamjao in Manipur. So in this way we wind up today's quiz. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.